that the committee doesn't have the luxury of time.
Yes, but
that's why, because you understand, I want you to understand one thing. We have 7 other groups behind you who will feel so bad on us that we've kept them.
Senator,
and they don't get a chance to ask.
A lot. I am sure that very few constitutional lawyers have spoken before you. Let me just make two points. Just 2 points.
This committee treats all Kenyans.
Can I give you 30 seconds, Kibe? 30 seconds.
The second issue.
Yes, 30 seconds, kindly.
Under the High Court judgment, it is required, and this goes to Parliament, it is required that a law be made for purposes of how we delimit locations and sub-locations. Parliament has not done this, which is necessary to facilitate constituency boundaries. Final point, therefore, is this, that when we talk about the totality, Chialedi, of all these problems that we are talking about, the economy, so many countries, we keep talking about state failure. From a constitutional point of view, state failures can be triggered by economic factors, and it can be triggered by political factors. These factors, the circumstances that will conspire to create them are already in existence in Kenya. They require competent leadership that is consultative of all Kenyans, that in the fullness of time, if it comes to biting the bullet and a government of national unity is necessary, we may have to go that route to prevent state failure or collapse in this good Republic of Kenya. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I think now I'll seek clarifications, questions.
Just one.
Yes, Wandai.
Mr. Wakili Kibe.
Yes.
Yeah, I hear you. And you make the case that as we speak, the Agikuyu people have got no political party that they could call their home. Is it that Jubilee Party is the party that was recognized as the home of the Gikuyu? That is one. 2, you have claimed that the elected leadership of the Gikuyu community are not speaking for their people. Okay, and therefore there's likely to be a problem in the coming days, months, or whatever. Why, in your opinion, would elected leaders of the region not speak for their people? And especially taking into consideration the fact that the second highest elected of person in the ruling Kenya Kwanza government comes from the Gikuyu community.
Just okay, Senator Aaron.
You can go first.
Yeah, I just want to say this, and here I won't talk about Kikuyus, I'll talk about Gema. Is very well represented in the UDA party. They left en masse from a political party that was supposed to be their home and chose, rightfully so, to go to a party that they felt gave them a chance to be well represented. And let me put it here on record that the elected leaders in the Gema community within the Kenya Kwanza government and the UDA party are representing the electorate accordingly and raising concerns of their people. Gema people never keep quiet when things are not going well. They never keep quiet when their people have issues, and we've done so very well. Kibe, maybe you've not seen us in the streets, but we have a platform within government to raise our concerns, and we do that very, very ably. So please, don't make us look like we are in a comfort zone. We are working very, very hard for our people. The very reasons that made us leave Jubilee are the reasons we are now working very hard for our people.
Chair, I just have 2 clarifications that I'd wish. Is it your submission that we need to, and I listened to you, I think previously there was a group led by Wakili Ndegwa, on the position of Speaker of the National Assembly. Is it your assertion that we need to further add the qualifications for a Speaker of either the National Assembly or the Senate to limit their participation in politics, because you appear to be faulting Speaker Moses Wetangula